Haha, tricked you.
Nix, what do you think lotion tastes like?
Oh, it actually.
So you do eat lotion?
Never mind.
So you do
Fuck,
eat
bro.
lotion?
Shut the fuck up.
One enemy remaining.
Nice one, Tim.
Right there.
Did you see that? That's called Ah, please don't.
Yeah. He's a Fortnite Battle Pass. Okay, sorry. Hachu, 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 hachu. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Bro, what? I'm so fine. I'm so fine. Sorry. Wah, 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 wah. This, I can do this, I can.
No. Sorrow is my own yard. The new grass flames as it has flamed often before, but not with the cold fire that closes round this.
Are you in creative?
Yeah, why? What's up?
Okay, can I teleport you here for a second?
Yes. Okay, I'm ready.
Wait, okay. No! Fuck! It's fine.
What's happening?
Don't laugh! Don't laugh! Fuck, I made it smaller. Fuck you.
Okay, this is your, like, height accurate, Nix?
Nah, not this. Wait, where did my dick go? You literally said you were gonna draw me getting pegged. You're not the one to talk, Nick. You know what? I will still do it. The only illustration you will get from me is just you getting pegged pregnant. Ah. Haha.
Sweet on?
Ah. Ah.
Ah.
Ah.
No.
Ah. Ah.
Oh.
Ah. Ah. Ooh. Ah.
Oh.
Tibbidi papa. Skibbidi pittibidi ba.
Ah.
Ah. Oh my god, I forgot to equip my farting cushion. Oh.
Yeah, something lagged for a bit. I don't know.
Buddy, sure.
I literally did. We went from like 4 to like 13. Or like, no, like 6 to like 13. I don't know.
Okay, you don't have to run out of breath for it.
Fuck you! You're so mean. Oh, ah! I did it.